Let's get your Assurance wireless phone connected. First, for Wi-Fi, go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Select your network and enter the password. Ensure it's a secure WPA3 network if possible. For mobile data, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Enable Data. This allows internet access when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Remember, Assurance Wireless offers nationwide 5G coverage through T-Mobile, so ensure data roaming is enabled if you're traveling. These steps are crucial for staying connected and using your data allowance efficiently. APN, or Access Point Name, is the gateway for mobile data on your phone. For Assurance Wireless, the standard APN is Internet, all lowercase. To configure, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. Add a new APN or edit the existing one. Enter Internet for the APN field. Leave username and password blank. Save the changes and restart your phone. Correct APN settings are essential for proper data connectivity, especially if you're using an older device or experiencing issues after a network update.